In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create websites for local businesses with Claude. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can go from a blank chat to a clean, professional site outline and content in minutes. Start by opening Claude and creating a fresh chat. Having a clear space helps you focus on the goal of the session. Think about the kind of local business you want to help, like a bakery, barbershop, florist, or fitness studio, and picture the look, tone, and must-have sections you need. The clearer you are before you type, the better Claude can deliver. Now begin your prompt with specific needs. Describe the business type, the audience, the vibe, and the structure you want. Mention must-have pages or sections and any design constraints. If you know you want a single-page site or a basic multi-page layout, say so. If you prefer a clean, modern feel with accessible color contrast, mobile responsiveness, and simple navigation, include that too. Details like a color palette, a friendly but professional voice, and placeholders for images go a long way. Here's an example you can use as a starting point. Create a professional website for a local business, for example, a bakery or barbershop, with clear sections: home, about us, services contact. Include modern design, responsive layout, and sample text. That prompt works well because it gives Claude structure, intent, and output expectations. If you want specific technologies in the output, add a line such as provide clean, semantic HTML and CSS with a responsive grid. Include alt text for images and a simple header and footer. From there, customize. Add the business name, a short tagline, a brief, about paragraph, 3 to 6 services with plain language descriptions, opening hours, location details, and a contact form layout. If you're unsure about any of these, ask Claude to propose options like a color scheme, hero headline, or a services list, then pick what you like and feed it back into the prompt. You can also request small refinements, such as a lighter tone of voice, more white space, or a more prominent call to action on the home section. Iterate until the structure, text, and styling guidance match your vision. If the result feels busy, ask Claude to simplify. If it feels sparse, ask for richer copy or an infrequently asked questions block you can slot under services. Keep your instructions direct and specific, and Claude will adapt quickly. That's the flow. Open Claude, write a clear, structured prompt, use the example as your base, then customize and refine until the site feels ready for a local business to shine.